I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock in your Nissan Qashqai. To begin, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, powering the infotainment system. Next, locate the settings or menu icon on your touchscreen display, which often looks like a gear or 3 lines. Tap this icon to open the main settings. From there, you will navigate to the clock or date and time option to access the clock adjustment features. Once in the clock settings, you will see options for clock mode. You can choose auto mode, which uses your vehicle's GPS to automatically set the correct time and date. Alternatively, select manual mode if you prefer to adjust the time yourself. There might also be a time zone option to pick a specific zone. Choose the mode that best suits your needs for accurate timekeeping. If you selected manual mode, you can now precisely adjust the time. Tap on the hours, then use the on-screen arrows or a virtual dial to set the correct hour. Repeat this process for the minutes. You can also choose your preferred clock format, selecting between a 12-hour display with AM or PM or a 24-hour military time format. Ensure these settings reflect your preference. Beyond setting the time, you can also adjust the date if it is not automatically synchronized. Look for the date option and make any necessary changes. Additionally, you will find a setting to enable or disable automatic daylight saving time. This feature will adjust your clock by 1 hour twice a year. Once all adjustments are complete, confirm your selections to save them, ensuring your Qashqai's clock is perfectly accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.